Purpose of Maps Gallery Walk. In this activity, we're going to look at 7 maps where we try to identify the map elements that it's using, the purpose of the map, and the type of map it is. You have a format here that you're going to use to analyze each map. So my suggestion is that you highlight from the map number to number 5, and then you're going to copy it by pressing Control key on the bottom left and the letter C. Control C to copy. Once you have that copied, you're going to go down to your comment box and put your cursor in your comment box. Once your cursor's in your comment box, you're going to paste. We're going to do that with that same Control key in the bottom left-hand corner. We're going to press Control and the letter V as in Victor. Okay, Control V, and you'll notice that it has placed it inside of the comment box. We have 7 maps to analyze, so we're going to do this 7 times. So Control V, Enter, Control V, Enter, Control V, Enter, Control V, Enter, Control V, and you get it until you have 7 of these in your comment box. Alright, so something I want to point out while we're down here. You can see that you have a Map Gallery Notes document here, and you can also do this in view mode. These are the maps that are pictured above. They are a bigger scale, so you can see them a little bit better than what's here on the page. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to come to the map. So we're looking at map 1. I'm going to zoom in a little bit so we can see it a little bit better. You're going to look at the map, analyzing it with these questions. What are some of the common symbols this map uses? So take a look at the map. Do you notice any symbols? So right off the top of my head, I notice these ovals right here. Those ovals are telling me streets or roadways. So I'm going to come down here, probably state or U.S. highway, to my post, and I'm on the very first one, so make sure you're up on the very top. And this is map number 1. And what were some of the symbols that I saw? It uses ovals to identify roadways. Okay, so I'm going to type that here, and then I'm going to go back to map and look at question 2. Okay, so question 2 asks, what does this map reveal about size or scale? So when you're looking at this map, you need to take a look to see, does it show you anything about the scale, the way we measure distance to actual distance? So is there something on the map that indicates that for you? Okay, so find that and then go down to question 2 here. Question 3 says, is there a legend or key? If so, how does it benefit the map? So is there some sort of guide on here that tells us what the symbols mean? Okay, question 4, what is the purpose of the map? What is this map doing? What do they want the reader to gain from using this map? Okay, so what do you think the purpose is? And then finally, question 5, what type of map do you think this is? So based on what you see here, if you were to give this a title of the kind of map it is, what would you say this map's type is? Okay, so you're going to do that for all 7 of the maps. Okay, and coming down to your comment box, you're going to type all your answers in here in the format that you've copied. And then once you're ready, go ahead and press post. Now, if by chance you start this and you have time to finish all 7, go ahead and post what you've done, because the nice thing about this discussion blog is you do have the option to come over here where the 3 dots are. Let me zoom out a little. Where the 3 dots are across from my name, you can choose those 3 dots, and it will give you the option to edit. And once you choose edit, it will open this back up and allow you to change your answers. All right, so hopefully you were able to identify the purpose and the kinds of maps that you saw in these.